Before your day begins, remember these 4 powerful names of God. Yahweh Rapha, the Lord who heals. Trust Him with what needs healing today. Yahweh Jireh, the Lord will provide. Trust Him with every need before you. Yahweh Shalom, the Lord is peace. Let His peace guard your heart and mind. Yahweh Sabaoth, the Lord of heaven's armies. He commands what you cannot see. When weakness comes, remember your healer is near. When needs arise, remember your provider already knows. When battles surround you, remember heaven's armies are not asleep. Begin today knowing God heals, provides, gives peace, and fights before you.